Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 22. This is Section 2.5, Problem 22. It says find the quotient of 4/7 and 7/16. So the term quotient means divide, so I'm going to find 4/7 divided by 7/16. Now, notice in the form it is written, it seems like you can pre-reduce a lot of things. You can't pre-reduce until it's written in the form of a multiplication. So what I have to do is leave the first fraction the way it is. 4/7 will stay 4/7. The divide will be changed to a multiply, and then the 7/16 will be inverted to 16/7. And now it doesn't really pre-reduce, it doesn't reduce at all. So when you multiply the numerators, top times top, 4 times 16 is 64. And then denominator times denominator, 7 times 7 is 49. So the answer is 64/49. It doesn't reduce. It can be changed to a mixed number, though. Some math teachers like you to write your answer as a mixed number as opposed to an improper fraction. So if the problem doesn't really specify, 64/49 is a good answer. But if they like the mixed number better, what you would do is divide the denominator into the numerator. So in this case, the denominator 49 divides into the numerator of 64 how many times? 49 will go into 64 only one time. 1 times 49 is 49. And now if I subtract, 4 minus 9 doesn't really go. 9's too big, so I'm going to borrow from the 6. I will reduce it down to a 5, and I'll be able to convert the 4 into a 14. So now I have 14 minus 9, which is 5. And then 5 minus 4, which is 1. So 64 minus 49 is 15. That 15, that remainder, is my new numerator. And the denominator, which was 49, stays the denominator. So the answer to the problem can be stated as 64/49. That is an answer. Or in a different form, the answer can be written as 1 and 15/49.